Apparently, a lot of people thought that the Arkham airdrop has ended, but I'm telling you this, the Arkham airdrop is still on. However, this is the second phase of the airdrop, which you can still earn by increasing your rank, that's your point. And if eventually you are unable to register someone by the direct invite, that's this, by registering the person by filling the details of the person and then telling the person to check his email and log in all those stuff, and it isn't working, and that's because your direct invite have exhausted. So all you have to do next is to click on this button which says copy link. That is the new way to refer. And if you're having an error message when signing up like this, then that's because you are using a password which is not strong, or the password is not up to 5-letter words. Make sure the password you are using is made up of numbers and alphabets. As you can see, I used only 3 alphabets or 3 numbers to do the password, and using this method you will see that it's not going to work. Let's click on sign up. You are going to see the error message because my password isn't strong. Now let's change that password to a stronger password. You will see how this will work like magic. Let's change it to a stronger password right now. Now check. Let's solve this captcha and wait for it to load up. Make sure to get the captcha extremely well, then click on sign up, and immediately you will see this will work. It just take a little seconds or few seconds, and immediately you will see that it will work perfectly without any form of mistake. So make sure to use a combination of numbers and alphabets when signing up. That's it. Subscribe. Wait, before you go, let me show you how you can add it to Metamask and some other things you need to know about the launch of this Arkham Airdrop. Click on your username at the top, and then you'll be brought to this page which you used in adding your account details. All you have to do is click on this button as we did in the first video. Click on it, and as you can see, I've added 3 already. I've added Bitcoin, I've added the rest, so it's remaining. I've added Bitcoin and EVM. EVM is Ethereum. Let me zoom a little bit. EVM is Ethereum, so you can use Binance or any exchange listed here. If you click on exchange, you see the exchange which is being supported: Coinbase and Binance or Metamask. So I'm just going to use, I've added EVM, Bitcoin, is meaning Tron. So click on that. I'm going to be using Binance. So let me just head out to my spot. Click on TRX. Click on deposit. Then you click on TRX Tron, track 20. The rest paste in there. Click on add address, and it should be added successfully. As you can see, I've successfully added Bitcoin, TRX, Astron, and Ethereum. And this first address which is being added is my Arkham address. So let's check if we can connect it to our Binance. Let's click on that button once more. Okay, click on Metamask. That's if you want to connect to Metamask, but as you can see, Metamask not detected. If you want to connect it to your Metamask, you have to copy your URL and log into your Metamask using your Metamask browser. You log in to your Arkham website. So open up your Metamask app application, then click on the browser icon. Immediately paste it. If it requires you opening a new tab, open a new tab on the browser and paste in the URL, the Arkham URL. Then you'll be required to log in once again. Make sure you do that. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on your username once again. Let me zoom in a little bit. Click on that, and you'll be required to click on that blue add button once again, which we used in adding our wallet addresses. So once you have clicked that, switch to Metamask and scroll a little bit down. Then you will see this option. Click on that, and a contract will immediately pop up requiring you to sign up or connect to your Metamask account. Click on connect, and immediately it's connected to your Metamask account. And now you are done. So after you must have done all that, to add Arkham airdrop to your Metamask browser, to your Metamask, all you have to do, make sure you are switched to Ethereum main network. Let me show you. Click on this button, this Ethereum main network button. You see a whole lot of networks. Make sure you are switched to Ethereum main network because Arkham is under Ethereum chain. Then click on import tokens. Click on custom tokens. I'm pasting this address. Then if you click on here, it should add by itself. If it doesn't, click on the token decimal, then the entire Arkham symbol will appear. Then click on import. Yeah, that's it. You have added it successfully to your wallet. Subscribe and turn notifications for more sweet videos like this. See you next time.